Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given trigonometric function. So this time we're also given with another trigonometric function, specifically the integral of negative 8 sine x dx. Okay? So we are to solve for the antiderivative of this, or of course the integral of this given function. Let's not forget that we also have other situations and processes if this angle has a different form or it is another function aside from x. So we'll have that later on. But generally, for this specific concept, we have sine x. So we're going to use here the trigonometric rule for sine x, which tells us that it should be the integral of sine x dx is actually negative cosine x plus c. Yes, it is the negative of cosine x plus c, because if we're going to return that, the integral, the derivative of cosine x is negative sign. But since it is positive sign, so we need the negative to be placed for our result to neutralize that, or to follow the rules for derivatives as well. So going back here, we know that this is negative 8 sine x dx. This is a constant multiple. So you can take that out, negative 8 integral of, you have here sine x dx. So basically, just apply the rule for this time. So you have here negative 8 times the integral of sine x dx is negative cosine x plus c. Right? By distributive property, you will get positive 8 cosine x minus 8c. But since c again is a constant, it could be negative, positive, a fraction, irrational. Okay, so you can just simply write them into one expression. Instead of that, you will have here simply c, and since c could represent any constant, just to generalize it, let's make it plus instead of minus. It will not hurt us because again, c is any constant that you can think of. Even if you will apply negative 8 as part of the distributive property, you will get the same result. So this would be the result for the integral or the antiderivative of the given function negative 8 sine x, or again the integral of negative 8 sine x dx. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!